favorite memories is of a tiny barbecue shack in the middle of nowhere. A shack with rundown picnic tables behind it as the only seating. Across from me at that picnic table sat a beautiful woman, energetic and engaging. That was the first day I saw the radiant sunshine of your smile, and I couldn't help but try and make you laugh and smile more. Kandace, our love will be my life, and I give it to you today and always.
It's easy to see from down here if I'm not swinging, then the war is won.
Avery, my love, you have showed me what it feels like to be loved for being exactly who I am. You lift me up when I'm feeling down and push me when I need a nudge. You are caring, loving, and fiercely loyal. I am thankful we are able to meet and grow this love that we have. How do I tell the love of my life in less than 2 minutes how much he means to me? And then it dawned on me I don't have to. I get to show you how much you mean to me every day for the rest of our lives.
Look all around us here. It's easy to see from
Oh my gosh, you're so perfect.
the war is won. Caught before I'm falling for it all in front of us.
When I was giving Kandace away today, I felt the joy and happiness because I was giving my daughter to a man that makes her happier than I've ever seen her before.
Now you spend any more than 5 minutes with this girl and you're going to be giggling or smiling. You brought so much joy to my life and to everyone around you's life with that laughter. And Avery, you have made my sister smile bigger than anyone else in this world.
In the hands of authority.
My goal was to get up here and talk to Kandace on advice on how to love Avery. I officially, in the best of way possible, hand you over the best friend title because you have completely stolen it, and I couldn't be happier about that because it has made him so much more happy.